A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip. Check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click Connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Find the perfect window canvas. Use a window that has special meaning. If you've inherited a piece of family history or carried something special from your past, use that window as your display. Make sure your vintage piece is able to be hung or displayed. While it may hold sentimental value, you want to make sure the piece is functional. Check for cracks in the glass or issues with the pane itself. Consider if the window needs to be restored. Your vintage window may be charming the way it is but may need some restoration. Think about what may need to be done and what is needed to restore it. Shop for an old window. Hit garage sales, estate sales, or second-hand stores to find that perfect window. Visit a going out of business sale. Retailers or restaurants may be selling everything at a very good price, including pieces like window panes. Check out foreclosure sales. Sometimes the lender or bank may be interested in unloading old appliances or pieces of a home that is no longer needed. Purchase a new window pane and make it look like new. Just because you don't have access to a vintage stumble-upon window doesn't mean you can't complete the project. Hit the home improvement stores to uncover a variety of possibilities. Choose your photos. Select your artwork/photos based on where you plan to hang the window and the window style. Consider the overall theme with the project. Do you hope to display photos your child through the years or focus on a recent trip overseas? Know the photo theme and how it plays on the window style. Take the room into consideration. You may not want to hang intimate family portraits in the living room, so consider the location destination. Determine if you plan to enhance the photos. You may not want just straight photos, but instead something with more of an edge. Try black and white photos for extra drama. Or you can add a splash of color on the black and white photos for a color pop. Use a computer photo program to change or enhance the photos. Try creating a watercolor look or a pencil drawing from your photos for your project. Alternate between color and black and white photos. Some photos in your window could be color, whereas others could still be black and white. There are no hard and fast rules, so tap into your creativity and have fun. Put your window frame together and hang. Size photos to fit inside each window pane. You may want to give the photos the look of floating, so you may want to size them smaller. Determine if you want to add a border around each photo. If you plan to add a border, make sure the design not only complements the picture but also the window frame. Mount photos behind the glass. One way to mount the photos is to spray the edges with spray mount and affix to the glass. Or you can lay the photo down on the glass and use invisible tape to secure it to the glass. Consider if you should add a back to your frame. You most likely do not have a backing to your window, so think about if a back support is necessary. If so, use heavy cardboard cut to size. Add sliding hooks to each side of the wood on the window frame and rotate in place after the cardboard has been put in place. Use a high-quality picture hanging kit to hang the window. Remember, this window frame will be extremely heavy, so you must use a kit designed for industrial hanging. Follow the directions on the kit and consider using up to 3 hangers to fully secure the frame. Set the window frame on each hanger or drill hanger rounds along the back of the frame. Finished.